Do you need to update the maps in your older model Toyota? Then check this out. So if you look here on the navigation screen that comes with the vehicle, this neighborhood is not here, but it is there on this other screen. This is the new SD card. So what I'm going to do is, if you look inside of here, that is where the SD card slot is. So the instructions say to shut off the vehicle. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to pop this old SD card out. And I should be able to get that out with this little screwdriver here. There we go. Set that aside where we won't lose it. And here is the new SD card inside of here. Right like that. So that's going to go in. This is the 2025 maps. The old maps were from 2015. So this goes in here. Close that back up. Restart the car. Take a minute to power up and everything. Continue installing the new software. Okay, so now I need to turn the vehicle off and then turn it back on to complete the update. Update is complete. Now I can go to apps. Okay. It came up with some message about crossing a time zone boundary, but that's all right. Go into navigation now with the new. And now the neighborhood is there. So previously these streets weren't available. Now you can see these streets are there. So this has been updated, and now we can drive around and have our latest roads available for us to view. So this is the, if you go here into map data, this is the 2024, so it's map version 54450. These were updated in 624. So it has been refreshed, and now we're ready to go. This was sent to us by the brand. Thanks for watching.